everyone. I've had a few people ask me how to assign specific lessons or assignments on Dreambox, so I am creating a screencast to show you how to do just that. When you log into your Dreambox using Clever, here on the home page, you want to click the class that you want to assign the lesson to. So I have lots of different sections based on students and services, so I'm just going to leave it on this one. But you'll want to make sure you've clicked on the specific class or the specific group you want to assign this assignment to. So you'll do that here, and then you will scroll down to the very bottom, down here where it says Assignments, and click Add Assignment. Alright, so this is our assignments page, and right here it does give you a little bit of information about how assignments work, so I encourage you to read through that. But there are two types of assignments. Short term, which is 1 to 2 weeks, that's the duration for that. And then long term, we'll provide that student with activities until they achieve proficiency on that topic or until the end of time that you have specified has come up. So for now, I'm just going to do short term, 1 week, and then right here is where you choose what type of assignment you want to do. So since we use Eureka, we want to make sure we click Eureka. You'll click your grade level and then the module that you want that student to practice. After you click the module, you'll click the specific lesson or topic that you want to provide them practice in. Once you do that, you want to make sure, and again, I only have one student in this section, but you want to make sure all of your students' names are clicked. This particular student has already started this assignment, so let me look for a different one. Let's see here. There we go. All right, so now he had started on his own pathway working on these assignments. I found one that he has not done yet, so it will have their names under each category depending on if that student has started that particular topic. They'll be in progress. If they're already proficient on that topic, it'll show you that, so you may not want to assign them that particular assignment if they're already proficient on it. And if it's something they have not done or have not started, they will be right there. So once you do that, you make sure all of your students' names are clicked. You will click Add Assignment in the bottom right-hand corner, and it will send them that particular assignment. Now, when the student logs in, they will see the assignment that you have assigned to them on their home page when they log in. So it'll be a part of their weekly lessons that they do. And if you would like to see the student view, let me know, and I can create a video showing you the student view as well. I hope you find this helpful.